What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka 2Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And tonight, about to head on over, meet up with the homies, and roll in together for one of the meets that's going on right now. So, I'm actually about to just go ahead and jump in the car and head on up. Sorry, I had some neighbors coming that was kind of distracting me, but I hate parking over here under these trees. Look at this. And I don't have time to clean it. And look at this. It is what it is, but let's go ahead and head on over to the meet. Alright, so just pulling up. We got the homies. I'll put links to their Instagrams as well as this YouTube down below. So definitely make sure you follow the homies. Got a work in progress here. Look familiar. We're gonna get it switched over, get the colors right. So we gotta see what paint is needed for that too. Alright, so this is still the pre-meet. Oh, hold on. Who's that? Hey. Look who it is. Hey Ryan.
Oh, that's my boy.
Police pulling up. So yeah, like this is still the pre-meet. We're gonna have to roll out here in a second. Alright, so we are going to be heading over to the actual meet when the homie's done washing his car. The rest of us didn't wash our cars. Just gonna leave them dirty. It is what it is. But yeah, I'll see you when we get over there unless something else happens. Alright, so we made it. Not all of us. A couple people got left. And he's leaving. Every time. Alright, well, let's see what we got out here. Looks like some people are actually pulling away right now. But look at this. Like, you don't see this in person. Like, this clean. Like, oh, can't show that. Demonetized. But yeah, it's a bunch of cars out here. The music's not too bad, so I'll probably have a bunch of this audio in here. And as always, let me know which car is your favorite. That's clean too. That Mustang is dope. T.I., where you at? Sound like a VQ doing some donuts over there. Going wild. That's clean. But yeah, what I was talking about earlier, one of the homies, every time I get to a meet, he'll be there, but before I get to see him, he kind of pulls off, and that's what just happened. And it was about to be the first place I went to too, but I guess we was at the other spot too long. I heard it was dead here just a half an hour ago. Camera gang, where you at? This one, I think this is my favorite so far. Like, this is clean. This is exactly how I would do it. Make sure you follow. Sheesh. That color too, like that's perfect. Perfect. Of course, got the homie Ryan clean. Now we're starting to have some music issues. That's clean too. Let's go. Let's finish going this way. Oh, my phone went to do not disturb. Let me see if anybody trying to call me. Nah, we good. I don't even know if y'all can hear me, but this bitch is playing too. Man, it's crazy here. Ain't no lights out here. Like, it's so loud. Another Mustang. It might be the same one. He might have just moved. Oh, hold up. That is clean. Definitely gotta follow. Oh. I feel like I come from one side to the other, and a two-stepping starts at another section. Yeah, I'm not getting every car here, but definitely a bunch of dope ones. Let me go see if I can find the homies. Now we got some more over here too. Looks like Franz made it. Oh no. Some dope cars down here. Cops gonna be waiting for them when they get out. Alright, so we was finally able to park together. Dope. There's some pretty dope cars out here. Franz out here flexing. Okay. See you, Franz. Alright, let's see what homies parked over here. Dope, dope, dope.
Especially that shit, man.
Got this. Look at that. Dope. Dope. So the meet is over, as you can see. So yeah, but that's gonna do it for this video. I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, stay fitted.